Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 18th of October 2021, and I feature all the best things made in Unity, whether that's games, visual effects and so much more. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations and you've got a chance to feature in next week's episode. So be sure to throw a like on this video and subscribe because it would really help me out, so thank you so much. So number one, we've got Matthew Holberg with yet again, he's got some really awesome augmented reality on his beer cans. We've got super refined game stealth mechanics within 48 hours by Ehsan Mohammadi. Eat Sleep Indie Game Dev has just got another day in the zombie apocalypse. IC_Wiener has got a look at their Hugo boss fight. Aquila Morse has got a new super evil robot for their old-fashioned action-adventure game. Stig C has turned their hobbyist project of 4 years into finally something that you can wishlist on Steam. Schooly D has got their new little devlog for some new procedural animations mixed with normal for their new boss fight. Dusty Room Games has got Quibbly, which is an anime shader and tools. Knights Remote has got some new combat for their Remote Knights Online game. Dragon Soldier 2 has got a couple of 100 hours of hard work for their finished first set of animations. Randwork has got testing different rocket designs. Adam Benko is testing their anti-missile defense mechanisms, and what do you think? Barak has finished second in the big indie pitch, but you can play traction control for free on itch.io. Swift Picker has created a script which allows you to dynamically slice meshes during runtime. Anonymous Unity Dev has added a creek where you can fill up your water supply bottle in his new VR game. Mirza Beeg has got some new visual effects, interactive driven objects, and so much more with awesome particles. Check these out. And VR Skip Game Day has got a situation where your buddy is so happy to see you, it's kind of a problem. Lifetapper Studios has had one programmer, one artist with 7 years of work, and this is their first gameplay trailer. Raw Lion Workshop has got their sailing sim, which releases tomorrow, and they've just finished their gameplay trailer. Endorite has got their SNES-inspired turn-based RPG with some snazzy 3D pixelated graphics. So be sure to check out all these fantastic creations for this week. I'll put all the links down in the description for you to check them out for if you're interested. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations, and I'll be sure to feature you in next week's episode. Do come and support me on Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts, projects and so much more. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity store, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.